Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today, the wigs I wore in September. Can you believe we are into October already? This year has just flown by. Now you know how this works. I'm going to show you some of the wigs I wore last month. And if you want to know more about them, like cap construction, indoor and outdoor lighting, discussion of fit and permatease and all of that, this is not that. This is not a wig review. The reviews are living on my channel. All you have to do is put the name of the wig in the search bar, and if I have posted it, it will be there. But there are a couple that I have not posted yet that are new. So that's how this works. And one of those wigs is this one. This is Bel Beless Chelsea, and this color is Mocha Maple Brown. Now I have reviewed it, but I have not posted it yet. It'll be up in a few days. But look at this gorgeous wig. I love this length. Heat-friendly fibers, very low density. This one has a middle part. There's not a lot of space on this part, just letting you know. So in my opinion, you're not going to be able to move this part much on this one, but it is such a beautiful style and I love this color. Okay, this is Ellen Villa Leah Mono 2 Cinnamon Brown Rooted. Now you know I love a blunt cut bob. I love Bel Beless Santa Monica. This is very, very similar to that wig. Another super low density style, just sleek, easy to wear, right out of the box. I love everything about this wig, and I think this color is so wearable and beautiful especially for the upcoming fall. Okay, this is John Renault Mauve 24BT 18S8. Wow, look at these beautiful, beautiful waves on this style. Now there's a lot of fiber on this wig. If you like all of this, you'll love this style. I just feel like there's a lot of hair, for me anyway. This is probably not the best look for me. However, my channel is not about me. My channel is about you, showing you what's out there, and in the hopes you'll find exactly what you're looking for. This has some permatease running through it, and it's just a long, beautiful style that I know is super popular. This is a style I put on, and as soon as I put it on, I thought, oh, this is me. I love this. Rockel Welch Cruise Control SS Iced Cafe Latte. This color to me is one of the most wearable colors. I think most skin tones can wear this, but look at this gorgeous wig. I think it's really face flattering with the way they have cut this around the face. It just is a beautiful silhouette. I think this is going to be a top seller. This is one we all know and love, Aesthetica Designs Mellow R30 2826, one of my favorite Aesthetica Designs colors. You know, I was late to the game on Mellow, y'all know that. I was one of the last people to ever try it, and I'm so glad I did. Now I think I have it in 3 colors. An all-time favorite, Ellen Villa Relax in Chocolate Rooted. I am enjoying these darker colors. You know, when I first started my channel, it was all short pixie blondes. Wow, how times have changed. I think I have this in metallic blonde rooted, this color, several more colors. It is a true throw on and go. You cannot go wrong with this wig. I reach for this wig all the time, and I know you probably do too. K Welch Flirt Alert in Shaded Biscuit. You know, just another style that is a classic, a timeless bob from K Welch with this long sweeping bang, and I love how Flirt Alert just has this little curl right on the end. What's not to love? Now we just looked at Flirt Alert, and I think this is a sister style to that. This is Bel Beless Newport Raw Sugar Blonde R, and I just think this is very much like Flirt Alert. What do you think? Also, this color is a beautiful wearable blonde. Now this has a little bit of gold, as you can see, running through it, which I think, well, I really do enjoy. But I just think these are sister styles. I know I show you this every month because I wear it every month. This is John Renault at Night in Shaded Mocha. I have this in so many colors. It's a classic, right? It's been around forever. I hope they never stop making it. Now, let me know. Have you tried it? What's your favorite color? I want to know. Do you love bangs as much as I do? Then you love Juliet. This is from Push Hair by Wig Studio One. This color is Butterbeer Blonde. Now, you know, Wig Studio One teamed up with Bel Beless, and they made some wigs, and I believe 10 of Bel Beless' most popular colors. And this is one they made, Juliet. Oh, I just got it in a new color, and I'm going to show it to you soon. This is absolutely going on my top 10 list this year. Have you tried Juliet? Thanks for stopping by today and having a look at a few of the wigs I wore last month. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you would. Leave me some messages. Have you tried any of these? If so, let me know how you liked them, what colors you like, and I will see you next time.